Hey there, health enthusiasts! Did you know that there are more bacterial cells in your body than human cells? It's true. And today we're going to unlock the power of probiotics, the key to optimizing your ultimate health. So, what exactly are probiotics? These are beneficial bacteria that play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy gut, which in turn impacts your overall well-being. But here's the problem. Our modern lifestyle, filled with stress, processed foods, and antibiotics, can disrupt the balance of good bacteria in our gut. This imbalance can lead to various health issues, from digestive problems to weakened immunity. That's where probiotics come in to restore harmony. Let's dive deeper into the world of probiotics. There are different strains of these beneficial bacteria, each offering unique benefits. You can find probiotics in foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and in supplement form. Now here comes the exciting part. The impact probiotics can have on your health is truly remarkable. Whether it's success stories of individuals transforming their well-being through probiotics or groundbreaking scientific findings, the evidence is clear. These little bacteria can make a big difference in your life. In conclusion, incorporating probiotics into your daily regimen is essential for maintaining optimal health and well-being. By nurturing a healthy gut microbiome with probiotics, you're setting yourself up for success in all aspects of your life. Remember, a healthy gut equals a healthy you. I urge you to take action today. Try adding probiotic-rich foods or supplements to your diet and experience the benefits for yourself. Share your probiotic journey with us in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more health-related content. Here's to unlocking your ultimate health with the power of probiotics.